Hey, this is Dylan with RepairSpots, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a purchase order. So to create a purchase order, we're going to go over here to inventory, and then we'll go down to this option that says purchase orders right here. Opening that option is going to show us a history of all the purchase orders made previously, and their status. We'll go over a little bit more about this after we create a purchase order. So we'll go over here to the top right where this plus is and click on that plus. This is a admin feature, so if you're in story mode, it will ask you for an admin key. We'll put that admin key in, continue. Now it's going to ask us for the account type for the purchase order. So we'll just go to the type of short title description item we want to add. In this case, we'll just get basic cases. Now we can select all the items from the list that we want to add. And then we can add as many as we want of each of these items, depending on what your order is going to be. The cost will reflect down here, where we can also add a shipping price. We can say the shipping is just $17.99. Apply. Now we have the total at the bottom right here. Next, we can go ahead and add a vendor. So if you don't have your vendor already added, you can add them here. And if they operate through email, then you can also email them and make your entire purchase order directly from your distributor. You can add a company name, their email, a phone number if you like, or a website, but they're both optional. We'll create that, and now we can go over to select vendor. We'll select the vendor we just made, and now we have the option to either submit or finish this purchase order later. We'll go ahead and submit. Success. It now sent that email to that email address with the list of items requested in the purchase order. We'll go OK, and now it's here. So now we can go ahead and look at the status as well as the history or information of this purchase order. So we'll go here. We can still see all of the items that were ordered. We can go down here to track after the order's been made, and we receive a tracking number from our distributor. And we can type in our tracking number right here to track either a USPS, UPS, or FedEx shipped product. We can also change the status of the purchase order. We go to receive, and we can change the status to received. After doing that, we will add this amount of items directly to our inventory. So now our inventory has been updated. Those counts have been increased to the proper amount, just as if we actually received the package.